Hi, my name is Megan. Welcome to ParentTube. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to advocate for your child who is deaf or hard of hearing in an educational setting. So first of all, seating is extremely important when thinking about your child's learning. You want to make sure the student not only hears the teacher, but also the entire classroom, including other students answering questions. The teacher is not the only one giving information to the student, and so you want to make sure that other students around them or your child is able to hear them. So maybe a central location close enough to the board where they can see visual cues such as writing on the board or a projector is a good location. And you can even ask your teacher to come to the classroom and look at where your child's seat is to make sure that they're getting optimal education. That's perfectly fine to do. An interpreter, if it's necessary, if your child's using ASL, absolutely. Something that they need exposure to language, and any language that they're using is important to make sure that they know how to, that they're communicating using that language. So if they're using ASL, absolutely an interpreter. Visual aids, such as handouts, teachers can give them out before the lesson with vocabulary words that maybe are going to happen in the next lesson, so that the student's able to learn the words and know when the teacher uses them. It's just another way to relay information and give the language that they need. Noise sources such as ambient noise, you want to make sure your child's not sitting near these noises, such as open windows with someone mowing the lawn outside, or open doors where students are running around outside in the hallways. You want to make sure that your student is not distracted by these things, because any distraction to learning is going to be a negative impact on their language learning. Any FM systems that they're using are really important. You want to make sure that their technology is working. Cochlear implants, hearing aids, anything that they're using, you want to make sure that the technology is working and that they're getting all the sounds that they need to learn language. Also, carpeting on the floors or tennis balls on the bottom of the seats help stop the screeching noises that happen when the chairs move, which are definitely detrimental to learning, because it's really distracting and really painful to hear those sounds. And when they happen, it's very hard to get the focus back. So something as simple as that is very good to use in a classroom. Also, teach your child to advocate for themselves. You're doing all these important things to help your child, but you want to make sure that they are also helping themselves. So simple things such as, can you repeat that? Or asking a teacher to speak up are really important in such simple ways to just make sure that they're getting all the language that they need. You're not in the schools with them, but you can teach them how to advocate for themselves, which is just as good. So make sure you're doing that. And if you have any questions, below I listed some sources that can definitely help you, either for a child who is using ASL, or even a child who's using spoken language in a classroom and hearing, listening. So just look at them below and use them to your advantage. Any language is good language, so make sure they're getting all that they can. And thanks for watching.